Okay, so I have here the problems about fuels and combustion. So let us start with number 1. And if you want to know yung kanyang mga discussions, I have separate na discussions about it. I have separate videos about it. So it is purely solving lang. No more discussions. Okay, so let us start with number 1. So number 1, an ideal Otto cycle engine with 15% clearance, okay, operates on 0.227 kilograms of air. Intake state is at 100.58 kPa, 37.7 degrees Celsius, and then the energy released during combustion is 110 kilojoules per second. Hot air standard with 1.32. Okay? Compute for its cycle efficiency. So, isa lang naman ang may isip ko for cycle efficiency. So, for cycle efficiency, that is E, is work net over QA. So, the energy released during combustion, yun ba a work net or QA? So, the energy that is always released during combustion is QA. So, ibig sabihin, you have there QA is 110 kilojoule every second. And then, meron kang given na K na 1.32. Ano pa ang meron ka dyan? Okay? Ano pa meron tayo dito? You have, okay, 15% clearance. C. 15% clearance is 0.15. Recall natin na ang E is pwede ring 1 minus 1 over RK raised to K minus 1, where RK is your compression ratio. Tandaan natin, ang RK would be determined using your clearance with this formula. So, that is 1 plus C over C. Eh, pwede ko palang palitan si RK dito ng may clearance ang gamit. So, I can now have yung efficiency ng cycle. So, 1 minus 1 over, palitan ko si RK nito. So, 1 plus C over C raised to K minus 1. So, 1 minus 1 over yung kay RK, 1 plus 0.15 since 15% yung clearance. 0.15, okay? Raised to, yung K natin is hot air standard, 1.30 minus 1. Okay? So, your efficiency here is, let us calculate. So, 1 minus 1 yung sa ilalim, ay magparenthesis ka. So, 1 plus 0.15 divided by 0.15 raised to 1.32 minus 1. Okay, that is equal to 47.889. Okay, 0.47889. Okay, approximately this is equal to 0.479. Okay, so that is the efficiency.